Best Car Floor Mat Cleaner removes deep stains, eliminates odors, restores freshness, protects fabric, and extends interior lifespan effectively. My today's video is about top 5 best floor mat cleaner for car that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. The SPI 22016 all-in-one car interior cleaner is a favorite among detailing enthusiasts for good reason. This versatile formula safely cleans and protects leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and even glass, making it a true all-in-one solution for complete interior care. Whether you're wiping down dashboards, door panels, seats, trim, or navigation screens, it gently lifts dirt, dust, and body oils without fading or damaging surfaces. What sets it apart is its dual action, cleaning grime while leaving behind a protective layer that helps resist fingerprints, dust buildup, and everyday wear. The spray and wipe application is quick and hassle-free, with no rinsing or extra buffing required. Perfect for both quick touch-ups and full detailing sessions. The IT leaves a fresh OEM-style finish with a natural sheen, never greasy or slippery, so your interior looks factory new. Even better, it's versatile enough for use beyond your vehicle, safely refreshing desks, chairs, and other surfaces at home or in the office. Now our second product is Meguiar's Quick Solutions All-Weather Mat. The Meguiar's Clean and Protect All-Weather Mat Kit delivers a complete solution for restoring tired rubber and plastic floor mats. The foaming floor mat plus carpet cleaner penetrates deep, lifting stubborn dirt, grease, and road grime with impressive ease. Paired with the included drill brush attachment, it cuts cleaning time dramatically and helps bring heavily soiled floor liners back to like-new condition. What truly elevates this kit is the gold-class luxury matte non-slick finish. After cleaning, it adds UV protection to prevent fading and cracking while leaving a rich, factory-style matte look, never greasy or slippery underfoot. That non-slick finish is especially important for driver safety. The inclusion of a premium microfiber towel ensures a streak-free wipe down and professional results. Backed by 125 years of innovation, Meguiar's continues to bridge professional-grade performance with user-friendly DIY solutions, making this kit a smart investment for anyone serious about interior car care. Our third product is Car Guy's Plastic Restorer. The Car Guy's Plastic Restorer stands out in a crowded market by delivering results that genuinely last. Unlike typical trim dressings that look impressive at first but fade within days, this formula renews, seals, and protects interior and exterior plastics for several months. It restores dull, faded trim to a rich, like-new appearance without over-darkening point. One of its biggest advantages is water resistance. After application, it repels rain instead of leaving streaks down your doors and bumpers. Even after storms or washes, the finish remains consistent and clean-looking. Another major plus is the dry-to-the-touch formula. There's no greasy, oily residue, just a smooth, satin finish that won't attract dust or ruin microfiber towels. Backed by US-based manufacturing and responsive customer support, Car Guys combines modern chemical technology with real quality control, making this restorer a dependable, long-term solution for serious car enthusiasts. Now number 4, Proper Detailing CO Professional Car Interior Cleaner. The ultimate car interior cleaner is a game-changer for anyone seeking professional-level vehicle care. Its deep penetrating formula reaches fabric seats, leather, carpets, and headliners to remove stubborn stains, dirt, and grime, leaving behind a fresh, new car scent. Perfect for restoring a truly clean and inviting interior, it transforms even heavily used vehicles. Its versatile, all-surface design works safely on cloth seats, leather upholstery, rubber mats, vinyl trim, and dashboards, combining gentle care with powerful cleaning performance. The foaming action ensures deep dirt removal, delivering a showroom-quality finish ideal for both auto enthusiasts and professional detailers. Designed with luxury vehicles in mind, it's safe for Tesla seats, vegan leather, Alcantara, and other sensitive materials, maintaining the integrity of high-end interiors while eliminating dirt effectively. This complete interior care system addresses every surface, from dashboards and door panels to seat belts and console areas, making it perfect for routine maintenance or full detailing. With this cleaner, every car interior can achieve a professional, refreshed look. And our last choice is Star Bright Ultimate Vinyl Clean Spray. The Star Bright Ultimate Vinyl Cleaner is a powerhouse for restoring and maintaining vinyl, plastic, rubber, and leather surfaces. Its robust formula tackles stubborn dirt, grease, and grime effortlessly, leaving surfaces refreshed and revitalized. Whether you're detailing your car, RV, or boat, this cleaner is versatile enough to handle upholstery, interior and exterior trim, foul weather gear, outdoor cushions, and even canopies. Application is simple. Spray, rub in a circular motion, and wipe clean or rinse. For persistent stains, a repeat application with light scrubbing ensures thorough results. It's ideal for anyone seeking a professional-grade clean without complicated procedures. While this cleaner excels on opaque surfaces, Star Bright recommends specialized products like Ultimate View Guard for clear plastics or Ultimate Mildew Stain Remover for tough mildew. Proudly made in the USA since 1973, the brand combines decades of expertise with consistent quality and reliability, making this vinyl cleaner a trusted choice for long-lasting, pristine results across multiple surfaces. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.